In today's video, I'm gonna show you everything you need to know about entering the deep work state. So, what is deep work? Deep work is professional activities performed in a state of distraction-free concentration that pushes your cognitive capacities to their limit. And there is the opposite of deep work, which is shallow work. Shallow work is non-cognitively demanding logistical style tasks are often performed while distracted. In short, shallow work is when you are not concentrated on your work, you are wandering while doing it, you are distracted and you are not putting enough effort into the work. Now, after we understand what is deep work and what is shallow work, now how to enter into deep work state. The first thing that you need to do to enter deep work state is you need to set a clear task that you need to do during your deep work session, like writing 3000 words or filming 3 videos. As you identify the task that you need to do, you need to set a deadline. On average, you can be in the deep work state for 90 minutes, so it's like ideally set your deadline 90 minutes. So in 90 minutes you have to write 3000 words or film 3 videos. Of course, if you want, you can make this period longer, but like ideal time is 90 minutes. And also ideally plan the things that you need to do the night before, so the next day you can wake up and instantly get to work, because in the morning your brain has its maximum capacity and you can use it to get the best deep work session during the day. So as you wake up, get instantly to work. Don't check your phone, don't hang out with homies or do some, I don't know, go on a walk. Don't do that, just get to work. Next, about phone, why I said it's very important. You must eliminate all of the distractions that you have, and the main distraction that you have is your phone. First and the most important is turn off all notifications on your phone, because if you have some notifications, you are fucking retired. They distract you super easily. There's been a study where scientists found that checking notifications have exactly the same effect as smoking weed on your mental abilities. So you, by checking your phone, is doing exactly the same thing as a weed addict. So you are a weed addict. So stop checking your phone, turn off all of the notifications, put on do not disturb mode. You can check how to do it in YouTube. There's hundreds of tutorials how to do it. So definitely do it. This is like non-negotiable. You have to do it. I'm saying it again in case if you are retired, turn on notifications, put on do not disturb mode, and ideally have your phone in another room. But in case you can't, just use the do not disturb mode and turn off all of the notifications. Number 3, don't multitask. Multitasking makes you shallow work. When you are switching between tasks, it decreases your concentration and you are not able to put maximum amount of your effort into one task, and basically you are not able to get your work done the best way. You can produce the best work only when you are doing one thing at a time, not 2 or 3 like most people do. And destroy the belief in your brain that being able to do a couple of things at once is a cool thing. It's completely not. Okay, you finished your deep work session, now it's time to recover, and the best things you can do to recover is take a quick nap, go on a walk, or meditate. Try not to touch your phone. If it's super necessary, yes, you can reply on the most important messages, but if there's no necessity, don't touch your phone. Also, you can reward yourself for doing a good deep work at the end of the day. You can watch the movie that you want, you can read the book that you want, or you can do whatever you want. But make it the way that it won't hurt you tomorrow. Like, don't go to a party, don't drink, don't stay up late, don't eat a lot of junk food, don't do these activities. Do something meaningful that will charge you, not empty you. Spending time with your family is 100% better than going on some degenerate party. If you want more things like this to be able to enter into deep work or flow, or just get things done faster and feel better, then you can check my PDF by the link in the description. It's only $3. Buy it now because I'm gonna update it and increase the price, and if you buy it now, you'll get all of the future updates for free. That's it. Thank you for watching me. Goodbye.